Have you ever looked at a dream so big it felt impossible? Maybe it was getting fit, starting a business, finishing school, or simply breaking a bad habit. You looked at it and thought, not me. I don't have what it takes. Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." And he wasn't speaking from theory. He was speaking from a life where freedom, justice, and equality seemed impossible until he made them real. If he could overcome the impossible, why not you? Today I'll share 5 life-changing rules inspired by Mandela himself to help you push past fear, turn doubt into power, and actually finish what you start. Mandela taught us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Most of us wait to feel confident before we start. But here's the truth. Confidence is the reward, not the requirement. Take one small step, even if your hands are shaking. Write one sentence, do one push-up, make one phone call. That single step is your proof that progress is possible. And once you prove it to yourself, momentum carries you forward. Mandela never fought for himself alone. He fought for millions. That's why he never gave up, even in 27 years of prison. He said, "What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is the difference we have made to the lives of others." When your mission is bigger than you, excuses don't hold the same power. So ask yourself, who benefits when I keep going? Your family, your future self, your community? Write down 3 names today. Look at that list when your motivation fades. Let those faces fuel you. Mandela once said, "Lead from the back, and let others believe they are in front." Leadership is not about ego, it's about responsibility. In your own life, create accountability without drama. Tell 2 trusted people, "By Friday, I will finish this." You'll be amazed at how your brain refuses to let you back out once others are watching. We finish what we make public. Mandela reminded us, we must use time wisely and forever realize that the time is always ripe to do right. Too often, we wait for perfect timing. But there is no perfect time. There's only now. Structure your time with focus cycles. 30 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest. Repeat twice, then take a longer break. It's not about grinding endlessly. It's about showing up consistently. Every cycle is proof that the right time is already here. Mandela said, "Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again." Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of it. Every stumble is feedback, not a verdict. When you miss a goal, ask yourself 3 quick questions. What happened? What can I adjust? When will I try again? Then get back up. That simple process turns setbacks into stepping stones. Here's how you put Mandela's wisdom into practice this week. Day 1, take a 2-minute starter step. Day 2, write your who benefits list. Day 3, share 1 promise with a friend. Day 4, do 2 focus cycles. Day 5, reflect on a mistake with the 3-question debrief. Day 6, repeat your starter step and add 1 small upgrade. Day 7, share your progress with your circle. 7 days. Small, consistent actions. That's how the impossible becomes inevitable. Mandela's life teaches us this. Impossible is just a word until someone proves it wrong. And the moment you take your first step, you're already rewriting the story. So here's your mantra. When doubt whispers impossible, answer with, "Until it's done." If you're ready to start today, comment the word "done" below, and let's build momentum together. Make sure you hit like so more people can hear this message, and subscribe for weekly motivation that keeps you moving forward. Because the truth is, you're not waiting on motivation. You're waiting on a first step. Take it now.